Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the bear trap in Grow a Garden 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you how the item works, I'm going to show you where you can purchase it. You can go to the props and then you're going to buy the bear trap crate, this one. And from this crate, you will be able to get one of these bear traps: the common bear trap, gold bear trap, and rainbow bear trap. Okay, I've already purchased the bear trap crate and it cost 500k shekels. So you need to prepare this amount of money if you want to get the bear trap. Okay, and I'm going to open up my bear trap, this one. Okay, and let's see what we get. Oh, I got the gold one. Okay guys, and then I'm going to place it. Hold on. I'm going to go to the build menu, select build, and select the bear trap. Okay, and then you can place the trap on the floor of your garden layout, and you can place them directly near your most valuable rear plants, at narrow entrance gates, or underneath conveyor belts where intruders fall off. I'm going to place it here. Okay, I'm gonna click on this icon. Okay, done. And for the function guys, when an invading player walks over the trap, it snapshot, dealing damage and locking them in place for a short time. This allows your base defense or defensive paths to clean them out. Okay, just like that. Thank you guys, and that's all about the bear trap in Grow a Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.